how to upload Capcut video to Facebook. So if you want to upload Capcut video to your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Capcut application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And the other thing you need to make sure is that you have updated your Capcut and also your Facebook. Make sure that you have the updated version. After that, you need to open up your Capcut, go with the video that you would like to upload to your Facebook. Like for example, I'll just simply go with an existing edited video. Now once you have this, you need to just go with export, which will be on the top right, and it will start the export process. So just wait for a few seconds. And now as you can see that you will have the options right here. So you need to just swipe and then you will find Facebook. So if you want to share it to your TikTok, you can tap on share it to TikTok, or you'll also be able to share it on your Instagram stories, your YouTube, your WhatsApp, or your Facebook. So if you want to upload your Capcut video to your Facebook, just simply tap on Facebook and it will take you to your Facebook application. It will redirect you. And from here, you'll be able to go with next, which will be on the top, and it will be uploaded. That's how you can upload Capcut video to Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.